Thank you for the opportunity to contribute to the Victorian Spatial Showcase and present on our strategy for Victoria's positioning system 2021 to 2025. The strategy is now available on our website and is focused on how we will maintain and enhance positioning infrastructure and information services in Victoria. Precise positioning is providing benefits to more and more applications and supporting many of the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Beyond our traditional surveying and mapping applications, positioning provides benefits to precision agriculture, construction, emergency services, mining, water management and irrigation, science and earth monitoring, transport and location-based services. Through our positioning infrastructure and information services, we enable precise positioning, ensuring alignment with spatial information and the underlying coordinate reference system. Over the next 5 years, our work program will be heavily focused on two major national programs we are collaborating in and leading the implementation of in Victoria. In this presentation, I'll highlight these major programs, which are designed to ensure government, business, and the community gain maximum benefit from the ongoing advancements in positioning technology. First is the Positioning Australia program led by Geoscience Australia. This national initiative is designed to accelerate adoption and facilitate innovation in positioning technology and the expanding applications. The program includes the National Positioning Infrastructure capability, which will support 3 centimetre accuracy positioning anywhere in Australia where there is internet coverage, which is most of Victoria. The Positioning Australia program also involves placing a satellite over our region to send down corrections and fill in the gaps where you can't get corrections via the internet. This will be done through a satellite-based augmentation system known as the Southern Positioning Augmentation Network. This is planned to be operational by 2023 and will provide instant access to 10 centimetre accuracy positioning across the Australia-New Zealand region. In Victoria, we manage the operation, maintenance and enhancement of a statewide network of continuous ground stations known as GPSnet. We are collaborating in the Positioning Australia program and adopting a model where our data is made available at no cost. With secured national funding, we are continuing to maintain high quality positioning infrastructure through ongoing maintenance and upgrades. For example, we recently upgraded our entire network to track all available satellite constellations, and we have just transitioned our data center operations to a cloud-based environment. We are also building new stations to improve our network performance to support major projects and development in growth areas. So through the Positioning Australia program, within the next couple of years, a 3 to 10 centimetre level positioning capability will be freely available anywhere in Australia. Now that is fantastic, but to fully capitalise on the advancements in positioning technology, we need to upgrade our datum and ensure seamless alignment with underlying spatial information. Our second strategic priority is focused on another major national program, which is the development and implementation of the Australian Geospatial Reference System. This slide shows the various components of the data modernisation program. All the new components are shown across the top. Central to the program is the implementation of the new Geocentric Datum of Australia 2020. Moving forward, spatial information will be maintained in the static GDA 2020, ensuring ongoing alignment with positioning services. If your organisation hasn't transitioned to GDA 2020, we are offering support and guidance in making the shift. On the left, we have the Australian Terrestrial Reference Frame 2014, otherwise known as the Dynamic Datum. This is primarily for use behind the scenes in positioning services, but the vast majority of users will operate in GDA 2020. And on the right, we have the new Australian Vertical Working Surface based on the Australian Gravity Geoid model. This new National Vertical Working Surface is an alternative to the Australian height datum and free from the biases and distortions which exist in this 50-year-old height datum. The benefit of the AVWS is that it is instantly available with positioning services. To optimise the performance of the AVWS in Victoria, we are preparing to capture airborne gravity data over about half of the state. This will improve the accuracy and reliability of the geoid model over Eastern Victoria, where we have an increased level of uncertainty. This is due to the difficulty to get in and collect gravity data through the high country and offshore. The airborne operations and data capture will be performed over the next 12 months, and we are engaging with stakeholders to provide notification of the surveys. Looking forward, we want the airborne gravity data to improve the accuracy of the gravity geoid model, which is used behind the scenes in positioning services. Thank you for the opportunity to highlight some of the key points in our strategy for Victoria's Positioning System 2021 to 2025. And if you'd like to see more, please visit our website. Thank you.